Welcome to our channel. If you want to subscribe to Twitter Blue or Twitter Premium to access exclusive features, follow these step-by-step instructions for sign up. Step 1. Open the Twitter app on your mobile device or visit twitter.com on your web browser and log into your account. Step 2. Look for Twitter Blue or Premium subscription options in the side menu or by clicking on your profile picture. Step 3. Tap on Twitter Blue or Premium to view subscription details and features included in the service. Step 4. Review the benefits of Twitter Blue, such as the Blue verification checkmark, edit tweet feature, and ad-free reading. Step 5. Choose your subscription plan from the available options, typically monthly or annual billing. Step 6. Tap Subscribe or Get Twitter Blue to begin the subscription process. Step 7. Enter your payment information including credit card details or choose an alternative payment method like PayPal. Step 8. Review your subscription summary, including the billing amount and renewal date. Step 9. Confirm your purchase by tapping Subscribe or Confirm. Your Twitter Blue subscription will be activated immediately, and you'll gain access to all premium features including the verified badge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.